So, why is it so mentally straining to be a YouTuber? And let me just get across that I'm not a full time YouTuber, I'm not even part time. I just enjoy doing it, but for some reason, sometimes it just feels like the stress that I build up feels like I'm doing this full time, even though I actually have a full time job. So, if you guys are cool with figuring this out with me, you guys can stick around and press the like button. Whoa. And yes, let's get right into it then. Dude, I've done so many takes on this so far. But, anyways, being a YouTuber, in my opinion, is not very easy. And the reason I say this is because there's a YouTube algorithm that's either working with you or against you, okay? You're either getting, you're getting the love, you know what I'm saying? Or you're getting the, you either get one or the other. And it's really based on, I guess, how consistent you are, and it's also based on the variety of content that you make and staying consistent with that, because that is extremely important. It's one thing that I've never gotten down until about now, and I'm going to I'm just gonna do it, you know what I'm saying, for at least God, I'm giving myself a couple months, but I really want to give myself to the end of March of doing just straight this content and doing nothing else. Although it's gonna be hard, I'm trying to do it, okay? It's not easy because I have so many other ideas. I see so many other YouTubers doing other things, and I'm like, wow, I just want to do everything. But the thing is I can't do skating, gaming, self-help, cooking food, reviews of different kinds of things. I don't know. But, you know what I'm saying? You have to have a consistent type of content that you want to do in order to actually get pushed by the YouTube algorithm. Unless you want to be like me and make a variety of content that has nothing, it has to do with nothing, like skateboarding, then we got some gaming, and then we got some reviews on tech, and we got some food reviews. Crazy. The thing is YouTube doesn't even know where to put their algorithm towards any of those, because they're all different. It's like, do I give this skating content dude some food reviews, or maybe some of this and maybe some of that? It's like, no, you don't do that. This isn't an ice cream cone. You can't choose your scoops, okay? You have to have all one flavor: vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry, okay? And you choose your flavor. There is no, you can't mix it up around here, okay? Just saying. So, let's get into the rest of it. Oh my god, what am I doing? So, I'm just gonna recommend, honestly, to do probably around 3 to 7 videos a week, maybe 1 to 3 starting out if you are a brand new channel. So, honestly, the biggest thing is to stay consistent, have fun, and watch my previous videos, because they will help you. Especially the Stay Curious video, that will help you significantly. I'm serious, it really will. I believe it will. It's definitely something that I try to keep in mind, and it's very difficult at times, but you just gotta do it, man. You just gotta snap. So I kind of want to just wrap all of this together into a 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a nice wrap up of different suggestions that I personally have as a small YouTuber, and also just maybe these will be things that just kind of help you out in general, because they're just kind of not all of it, but this specific one is overall, is that motivation will not scoop you up or save you either, okay? You gotta understand that you cannot rely on motivation, okay? Motivation does not drive, because you yourself are the driver, okay? Alright, so don't worry about the numbers at the start, and I'm looking at myself awkwardly, because yes, I struggle with that whole thing. Don't look at the numbers, okay? The only time you should look at the numbers is if you have not seen whatsoever any kind of growth between, I would say, 2 weeks and a month. I think that if you don't see anything going up by then, and I'm talking going from a consistent 10 views per video to maybe 20 views, you know what I'm saying? or maybe 15 views. You got to be really realistic and small about this, and also understand that not every single video will perform very, very well. So it could be a good idea to, like, every 2 weeks or every month to kind of get a nice idea and like a bundle, and you can look at this in your YouTube analytics to see how many views like that you got in that week, based on the video's amount. And you can kind of just add them all together, and then have the month or the 2 weeks of the videos that you did, just to see if you actually have growth. And just keep in mind that you're not going to just pop off like instantly. It's not how it works. The goal is to pop off, but it's not right now. That would be cool, but it's not right now. Number 3 is to just kind of take it easy and start small. Do about 1 to 3 videos, and then begin building to about 3 to 7 videos a week, and just make sure that you're kind of just like sticking with it. You're sticking with the specific, like, you're I hate the word niche, man. The niche word is terrible. So, personal recommendation, do all the content that you want to do. Every single video idea that you have, just do it, okay? Do it all. Just say screw it, do it all. It doesn't matter if there is no actual, like, set thing that you want to do. Like, let's just say I want to make a skateboarding video, a food review, and a lawn chair review video, and then after that I also want to make a gaming video. The thing is, just do it all, especially if you're a brand new YouTuber, because you're going to find out what you like more than anything, okay? If you write down things that you personally enjoy, like hobbies, if you have more than one, then you're probably going to have to decide on one. And if you can't decide on one, just do them both until you find out which one that you prefer to do. At some point, you're going to need to make a decision like me, and I'm making my decision now, and I'm going to be doing this kind of content for a while, and if I don't like it, or if I'm not seeing the growth that I want, then maybe I will change. But this goes for you, because you guys are the viewer, so just kind of find out the couple things that you like doing, like content-wise, and, from there, end up picking one, and then if anything, doing 1 to 3 videos a week, or 3 to 7, and I think that should put you on a nice path to getting where you want to be on YouTube. You might not get, a lot of views, you might not get monetized yet, but just try, man. That's the biggest thing, just try. Thank you guys for watching this video. My 4th suggestion to you guys is just honestly stay curious, like I said previously. I can almost guarantee as long as you stay curious and consistent with one type of content, you will make it. And if you need to do a variety of content at first, go by all means do it, okay? And keep in mind, it is your channel. You can do whatever you want. That's pretty much all I have to say for today, and I don't know. Just like John Hill says, keep killing it. That sounded really bad. I think he says it better. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I gotta go, you guys. See ya.